everybody, I've got 3 dough balls here. And one just has flour, oil, water and sugar in, but one has baking powder as well as those, and one has yeast in. Now, we are going to put the dough balls into the glass of water, and I'll put this one in. It sinks. Now, what do you think will happen with the other 2 dough balls? And we've got a clock to tell you something happens and what length of time it took.
Hello everybody, and here we have the dough ball that sank. And Lois, would you please put the other 2 in? So that's the one with the yeast she's just put in. This is the one with the baking powder. As you can see, the baking powder one actually floats, and that's because the baking powder, it releases carbon dioxide over time, and it's been there for a few minutes, so it's got carbon dioxide in, so it becomes less dense and floats. And the yeast one, what should happen is it sinks, but the yeast slowly releases gas too, so it will slowly become less dense and it should rise to the surface. But this will take a little while, so we might have to come back later.
So it's half an hour later and the dough ball with the yeast has started to rise, and the dough ball with the baking powder has sunk and broken up.